Welcome everybody to our quick tutorial. This is going to show you a quick way that we can keep track of those that we're trying to get a hold of for the reunion. And to make sure that we get a hold of everyone, I really want to make sure that everybody gets an invitation to this, a personal invitation, even if they don't want to come. That's totally fine. But at least they know that they are invited, they're wanted, we'd love to see them, and hopefully they'll join us for another reunion. But I do want to make sure that everybody feels like they have been personally invited. I think it's a really important, big deal, and need your guys' help to do this. And I really believe that we can do it with social media and technology. Oh my goodness, you guys, seriously, we can totally do this. So let's just pull together and see who we all know that we all know and that we have contact with still. This Excel sheet is just a Google Doc. We're going to keep track of stuff on. I've got everything split up into, I'm still putting in the pages. There's going to be 9 of them total. These pages are each of the reunion, or not the reunion, the senior class picture pages. They're in order here. And I'm just going through and adding them. I just have the first 2 pages done, but we'll have others. I'm going to go ahead and send this to you guys anyways, and I will be adding others here. And if anybody would like to help me finish putting these in, let me know. It's super, super easy, but it will help get it done faster. What I need you guys to do is to go through all of these names, and I want you to put your name next to those that you have contact with, that you know you can get a hold of, that you, whether it's through Facebook or you see them or you have their text number, whatever it is, and let's get a personal invitation to them. I don't want to count tagging as a personal invite. I wanted to tag the picture so we could help get the word out and help spread that and like help people know that it's happening. But even if somebody has been tagged, like I know, for example, I saw Jason Blackham, and I think his name's spelled wrong. Gotta go and fix that. Anyways, like I know he was tagged. I know there's other people on here who've been tagged, but still I think it's important that they get a personal invite, because even if they've been tagged, it doesn't mean that they saw it, because not everybody lives on Facebook, right? And not everybody has Facebook. Not everybody's on Facebook. So for those that you know are not on Facebook, if you can do me a favor and put in here, well, I've got their Facebook name here. Obviously, if they are not on Facebook, you can just put a no that they're not on Facebook. That's fine. But reach out to them. Like, for example, Jason Smith. I grew up next door to Jason Smith my whole life. And I know he's not on social media, but I have his phone number. So just the other day I texted him and just said, hey, I know you're not on Facebook or anything, but we're having the class reunion. I wanted to make sure you knew about it, that you're invited. Would love to have you. Would you like to come? And I asked specifically, would you like to go? Okay. Ask them. Get a yes, no, or maybe from them. Just, hey, just want to let you know about it. No, just ask them. And then what I'd love for you to do is just come in here and mark yes that you contacted them and how, whether it was texting, messenger, a phone call, in person, whatever. Put that here, and then put if they're yes, no, or maybe going. And then if they are going, then stay in touch with them and mark in here yes or no if they have their ticket. Now, obviously, they're not going to have their ticket right away, so you can go ahead and put an N. But as they register for their tickets, myself and other committee members will come in here and we will switch that to a Y. If you come back in here when you're looking for other people to contact, or you're marking down that you did and you see that they still have an N next to their name, please reach out to them and just say, hey, excited to see you. Here's the link for the tickets. And you know what? When you invite them, give them the link to the ticket, the Eventbrite. That would be great. Just, send it to them again. Just say, hey, I want to make sure you got this. Make sure you get your tickets soon, though, because it's real important so that we have a good head count, and also we can use those monies to help get things in order for the class reunion. So very, really super simple. Then just go and put their text number if you have it, their Facebook name if you know it, and their email if they have it. If you don't have those things, that's fine. But if you have it, put it in, because that will make it easier for us to get a hold of them next class reunion. Also, ask them if they're willing to help. Just say, hey, we're trying to reach out, get a hold of everyone. And also, we're still looking for help in running the reunion. Would you be willing to help out in any way? And if they say yes, then ask them, great, how would you like to? Or I can have someone in the committee get a hold of you. And then just mark down here how. yes, that they want to, and we'll reach out to them and we'll let them know ways that they can help out. But if they mention how, go ahead and mark it. If you ask them and they're just kind of like, you can tell they're really not interested, don't worry about it. Just put down no. Um, I'm not trying to pull people's teeth to help us. There are people who actually really like doing this kind of stuff, like me. I'm a crazy person. I love doing this kind of stuff. I love putting events together, and I love reunions. I even love family reunions with little old aunts and stuff. I love that kind of stuff, and uncles. So I'm totally looking forward to this, and I'm real excited to see y'all. I think I've got everything. Make sure that if you are on the committee, put your name here. You can see if I don't have you committee member next to your name, please go ahead and mark it like I've done a couple here. And then obviously putting your name on the ones that you know. And I'm wondering, I think I've got everything. I think that's about it. Last thing is just thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for your help. And I'm really excited to see you all. I live out in the South now. I don't get to see anybody. I've been out here for like 5 or 6 years now, and I was in Arizona for 7. So I've been gone for a long time, and I'm real excited to see everybody. So take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments of wherever I post this or in the Facebook message that I'm going to post it as well. Bye.